Hi! Now that you've learned what is sequence, let's try to solve some problems. We are going to proceed to the development part of Lesson 1, Sequence. In our first learning task, we are going to solve some problems. An old woman is overweight. Her doctor told her to decrease 35 kilos. If she lost 11 kilos in the first week, 9 kilos in the second week, and 7 kilos in the third week, if she continues losing at this rate, how long will it take her to lose 35 kilos? You must fill out the table in your module to get the answer. Suppose this is your table. You're going to fill out this table to be able to find out how long will it take her to lose 35 kilos. If she continues losing at this rate, she lost 11 kilos in the first week, 9 kilos in the second week, and 7 kilos on the third week. Remember, honesty is the best policy. Pause this video and answer the problem. Have you finished answering the problem? Now, we're going to check if your answer is correct. First, we must identify what is the given. 35 kilos is weight that she needs to lose. 11 kilos is the weight she lost in the first week. 9 kilos is the weight she lost in the second week. And 7 kilos is the weight she lost in the third week. Let N be the old woman's original weight. So, for the first week, she lost 11 kilos. So, our equation for the first week is N minus 11, since she lost 11 kilos. For the second week, our equation is N minus 11 minus 9, since N minus 11 is the equation for the first week. For the third week, our equation is N minus 11 minus 9 minus 7. Now, if we observe the pattern of the sequence and the interval of each term, we can see that its interval is 2. We just have to minus 2 to 11 to get 9, and minus 2 to 9 to get 7. Now that we know what is the interval, we just have to do the same to the next terms. For the fourth term, we have 7 minus 2, so we get 5. She will lose 5 kilos on the fourth week. For the fifth term, we have 5 minus 2 equals 3. She will lose 3 kilos on the fifth week. Now, let's put our answers in the table. For the week 1, she lost 11 kilos. For the week 2, she lost 9 kilos. For the week 3, she lost 7 kilos. For the week 4, she lost 5 kilos. And lastly, for the week 5, she lost 3 kilos. Because of this, we can find out what is her weight for each week. For week 1, her weight is N minus 11. For week 2, her weight is N minus 20. For week 3, her weight is N minus 27. And for week 4, her weight is N minus 32. And lastly, for the week 5, her weight is N minus 35. Remember that N is her original weight. So, back to the question, if she continues losing at this rate, how long will it take her to lose 35 kilos? What is her answer? The correct answer is 5 weeks. She will lose 35 kilos on the 5th week. Is your answer the same? You've done a great job. If not, now you know what is the right answer. Now that we're done with the development part of Lesson 1 sequence, we will now proceed to the engagement part. Be prepared for the next video. Bye!